Okay, good day everybody. Mag-share na pud ko og usa ka lecture video nga akong gihimo from topic on uh, precipitation gravimetry. So, ganahan man gud ko mag-share og lecture video because ang akong goal is nag-hope ko nga kining akong lecture video makatabang sa mga students, especially those students nga dunay analytical chemistry subjects nga nag-struggle on how to solve problems on gravimetric methods of analysis. Okay, so here is the problem. The hydrogen sulfide in an 80-gram sample of crude petroleum was removed by distillation and collected in a solution of cadmium chloride. The precipitated cadmium sulfide was then filtered, washed, and ignited to cadmium sulfate. Calculate the percentage of hydrogen sulfide in the sample if 0.125 grams of cadmium sulfate was recovered. So you notice that in this problem, our sample is crude petroleum product. Unya naa ni siya presence of trace amount of hydrogen sulfide. So, giunsa man ni, so of course ang ato ang crude petroleum product gitreat gyud na siya og something in such a way nga ang hydrogen sulfide makagawas from this material. And then to remove this hydrogen sulfide from the solution, ang process nga gigamit is by distillation. So kay by distillation man, ang ato ang distillate ato na siyang gi-collect, but ang atong receiver contains cadmium chloride solution. So during distillation, kaning hydrogen sulfide kay volatile man siya because this is a gas, mukuyog ni siya sa distillate and then moadto sa atong receiver. And then since ang receiver na may presence of cadmium chloride, ang hydrogen sulfide dayon mo react with cadmium chloride forming precipitate of cadmium sulfide. And then this cadmium sulfide was separated from the solution by filtration, no? So ato ni siyang gi-filter. After filtration, we wash the precipitate, no? We wash the precipitate and ignited the cadmium sulfide precipitate to cadmium sulfate, no? So mao ni atong na-collect nga precipitate after filtration, and then we ignited this in the furnace at higher temperature. So ang cadmium sulfide na-convert siya into cadmium sulfate. And the mass of cadmium sulfate measured is equal to 0.125 grams. So in this problem, we are asked to calculate percent hydrogen sulfide. You notice, class, we cannot measure the hydrogen sulfide because this is a gas. Pero ato siyang na-convert in a form of cadmium sulfate precipitate. And this cadmium sulfate precipitate is chemically related sa hydrogen sulfide. So from grams of cadmium sulfate, we convert this to gram of hydrogen sulfide, no? Because ang formula for the calculation of percent hydrogen sulfide is simply equal to mass of hydrogen sulfide over mass of sample times 100. Since the mass of hydrogen sulfide is not given, we utilize this mass of cadmium sulfate nga makonvert na to into mass of hydrogen sulfide. Unsaon na to pag-convert ang mass of cadmium sulfate to mass of hydrogen sulfide? Atong gamiton kani nga mga relationships, no? So you notice nga 1 mole of cadmium sulfate is equivalent to the molar mass of cadmium sulfate. And this is also equal to 1 mole of cadmium sulfide based sa ato ang balance equation. And then this 1 mole of cadmium sulfide contains 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide. And for 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide, that contains 1 mole of sulfur. And this 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide naa siya 34.082 grams of hydrogen sulfide. So gamito nato ni nga mga relationships so that kaning grams of cadmium sulfate ma-convert into grams of cadmium of hydrogen sulfide. So mao ni siya ang solution. The mass of hydrogen sulfide is simply equal to mass of cadmium sulfate. So ang atong starting class is the mass of cadmium sulfate precipitate. Para ma-convert ni siya into mass of hydrogen sulfide, first ang cadmium sulfate gi-convert nato siya into mole of hydrogen sulfide. Unsa man ang relationship sa cadmium sulfate o sa hydrogen sulfide? You notice nga 1 mole of cadmium sulfate is also equal to 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide. But 1 mole of cadmium sulfate is equal sa iyang molar mass. So instead of writing 1 mole of cadmium sulfate, we immediately write 208.47 gram of cadmium sulfate here para nga kani nga gram cadmium sulfate o kani nga gram of cadmium sulfate makansel. Next, ato siyang kaning mole of hydrogen sulfide, i-convert nato to gram of hydrogen sulfide using the molar mass of hydrogen sulfide. We have 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide equal to 34.082 grams of hydrogen sulfide. So ang mole nato diri na as numerator, so sa atong factor ibutang nato diri ang mole of H2S so that mole of H2S makancel pud siya sa mole of H2S here. So what is left is gram of hydrogen sulfide, no? So since wala naman na siya, kani dayon ma-simplified nato siya into this form. Ang mass of hydrogen sulfide is finally equal to mass of cadmium sulfate precipitate times 34.082 grams of hydrogen sulfide over 208.47 grams of cadmium sulfate. This is the mass of 1 mole hydrogen sulfide and this is the mass of 1 mole cadmium sulfate. Now, this kani siya ato dayon siyang i-substitute to our balance equation diri. So, mawala So mao na ni siya percent H2S equals mass of H2S over mass of sample. So kani dayon i-replace nato ani nga quantity kani siya nga kani nga quantity, no? So kani nga quantity and then we substitute the value. So kani siya ipole nato diri. So mahimo na ni siyang mass of cadmium sulfate times 34.082 over 204.47. So here it is. The mass of cadmium sulfate nga atong na collect is 0.125 grams. And then we multiply this by this factor. So grams of cadmium sulfate over grams of cadmium sulfate cancel. So what is left is gram of hydrogen sulfide over gram of sample times 100. And this is percent H2S. So simplifying this, percent H2S equals 0.026%. So I hope klaro ang solution and thank you for viewing.